Alright, this is the back of the computer case. And I wanted to point out some information for you. You'll be putting this frame plate in yourself, and the motherboard comes through the frame. The I/O shield is what that's called. These are the three antennas for the wireless card. In general, they'll work if you just point them straight out like that, straight. But you're not going to get the best reception if they're all pointed in the same direction. You kind of want them pointed in three different directions. So, here's three different planes, and you'll get better reception. You might want to point that one, let's say, up, because it won't block your video card connector, which is going to go in down there. You're probably not going to use these connectors, so that's probably safe. That's probably a good orientation to try. But if you've got to push this up against a wall, do something like that, so that at least, well, those are all in the same plane. Anyway, if you find you have Wi-Fi connection issues, you may want to orient these antennas differently to get better connection.